Namaskar. Over the years, while working with different kinds of people, I have noticed a repeating pattern. People are eating reasonably well, yet their blood reports show deficiencies. In fact, surveys across Indian cities reveal that 70 to 90% of urban Indians are deficient in vitamin D despite abundant sunlight. Similarly, more than half of our population shows low vitamin B12 levels, especially among vegetarians. So clear, it is not a rare issue. It is a silent, widespread imbalance. Today, I am going to talk about vitamin D and about vitamin B12, and more importantly, how we can restore them naturally. These deficiencies do not announce themselves in the beginning. Vitamin D deficiencies slowly shows as back pains, knee discomfort, muscle weakness, frequent cold, disturbed sleep, or unexplained low mood. Science tells us that vitamin D receptors exist not only in bone but also in brain and immune cells. Meanwhile, vitamin B12 deficiency quietly affects your nervous system. Tingling sensation, forgetfulness, heaviness in the head, irritability. Many people dismiss these as stress or aging, but very often the nerves are simply undernourished. And here lies the real concern. Most people treat the report but not the reason. Now let us move towards solution. Simple, natural and practical. First, let's talk about vitamin D. From a scientific point of view, vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, supports muscle strength, improves immunity, and plays a role in mood regulation through brain chemistry. From a yogic and Ayurvedic point of view, it nourishes Asti Dhatu, supporting stability, posture, and confidence in body. So, how do we support it naturally? Firstly, and most importantly, sunlight. The ideal time is between 7:30 and 10:30 in the morning. About 10 to 20 minutes of direct sun exposure on arms, legs, or back is sufficient for most people. Remember, sunlight through glass does not work. And for this short exposure, sunscreen is unnecessary. If you can walk slowly or sit quietly in sun or walk barefoot on natural grounds, absorption improves further. Along with sunlight, food plays a supporting role. Traditional foods like homemade ghee, sesame seed, soaked almond, and good quality milk and curd help the body use vitamin D better. But we must understand one thing clearly: food supports vitamin D, but sunlight activates it. Now, let's turn our attention to vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve strength and mental clarity and red blood cell formation. In Ayurveda, it supports Majja Dhatu, which governs the nervous system. However, one point must be clear and understood: vitamin B12 absorption depends far more on digestion than quantity. This is why many people consume food containing B12 regularly and yet find their levels low in blood tests. In practice, I have seen that when digestion is weak, nutrients simply pass through without reaching the tissues. Among natural dietary sources, homemade curd plays an important role. About one small bowl taken during daytime, preferably mid-morning or lunch, supports gut health and improve absorption. Curd should always be fresh, plain, and at room temperature. Taken at night or straight from refrigerator, it weakens digestion rather than supporting it. Buttermilk is even lighter and more supportive. One simple preparation I recommend is digestive buttermilk. Take a few spoonfuls of homemade curd, churn with water, a pinch of roasted cumin powder, rock salt, and a little grated ginger or curry leaves. Take this along with your lunch to support digestion. When digestion is strong, vitamin B12 absorption, it improves digestion without straining the body. Fresh paneer can be taken in moderate amounts, about 50 to 75 grams. Taken at lunch 2 or 3 times a week is sufficient. It should be slightly cooked and simply prepared, not heavy or oily. Don't take it late at night as it burdens digestion and reduces its benefits. Fermented foods are also very good. Preparation like homemade carrot or beetroot kanji, a traditionally fermented rice water, support healthy gut bacteria, which are essential for vitamin B12 absorption. Half to 1 cup taken in the late morning or early afternoon is enough. These foods work slowly and steadily, strengthening digestion over time rather than giving instant results. Some seeds and spices, although not a direct source of B12, are also helpful. A teaspoon of slightly roasted or powdered sesame seed taken daily with lunch helps nourish nerves, tissues. Similarly, a small amount of roasted cumin powder added to food or buttermilk improves digestion and prevents bloating, allowing nutrients to properly assimilated. Vitamin B12 supportive food should always be taken during daytime when digestion is stronger. Here is where yogic practice makes a real difference. Sitting in Vajrasana for 5 to 10 minutes after meals improves digestion and assimilation. Gentle spinal movement keep your nerve pathway active. Now let us look at what we should avoid. Avoid taking high dose supplement without guidance for long period. Avoid living completely indoors. Excess tea, coffee, alcohol and smoking interfere with B12 absorption. Late night eating weakens digestion, and chronic stress directly block nutrient absorption. So step out into sunlight, respect your digestion, live in rhythm, and trust the wisdom within your body. That is not just nutrition, but a yogic well being. Namaskar.